Design of PSC Girder Bridge. In this session we shall see the process to design the pre-stressed concrete girder bridge with Long Main PSC Girders, RCC Deck Slab, RCC Abutment, RCC Pier, bridge bearings, and creating the design drawings for construction. Step 1. Click on icon for ASTRA Pro on the desktop. The Astro Pro main screen opens. Select menu item Process Design. Select menu item, select working folder. Select working folder Work on desktop and click on OK. Step 2. Select menu item Process Design. Select menu item Bridge Design. Select menu item Pre-stressed concrete, PSC, girder bridge. Step 3. The selection box comes. Select the design standard as British Standard BSI Eurocode 2. Click on OK. Step 4. The design screen opens for the selected item. There are tabs for analysis of bridge deck, PSC girder, deck slab BS5400, RCC abutment, RCC pier, bearing and drawings. The tab Analysis of Bridge Deck is opened. Under this the tab User Input Data is opened. Click on button New Design. The new design folder is created as job number 01 inside the folder Work on the desktop. At all future times user may open the design by clicking on button Open Design and by selecting job number 01. Within the folder PSC Girder Bridge Limit State BS within the working folder Work on the desktop. Under the tab Analysis of Bridge Deck, there are 4 more tabs. These are User Input Data, General Arrangement Diagram, Section Properties, Moving Load Data and Analysis Process. Open the tabs one after another and enter your own design data by replacing the sample data. User must not change the red color data as the values are taken from other input data pages and also any blue color data which are calculated values. Under the tab Section Properties there are 4 more tabs: Long Main Girder Inputs, Cross Girder Inputs and Summary of Member Properties. Under the tab Moving Load Data there are choices for various applications of HA and HB loadings, with default setting for standard loading to facilitate the users. Under the tab Analysis Process, various analysis files are listed. Click on button Create Analysis Data. The input data for various analysis processes are created and message comes. Click on OK. Next, click on button Process Analysis. The list comes with 8 different analysis processes for various load combinations. Click on button Process. The process starts and dialog box comes. Click on button Proceed. Message comes with total load cases. Click on button OK. Next. Main analysis dialog box comes to run SAP program. Click on Proceed. As the process is over, message box comes with output file details. Click on button OK. The maximum forces is read for various members in the bridge deck model. The above procedure is to be repeated for all the 8 processes, and at the end the analysis results will be read from all the 8 processes to get the highest forces generated in each member. At the end, the analysis results are displayed on the screen for the design of members, and support reaction forces are shown, which are to be used for the design of abutments, piers, and bearings. Step 5. Next, select the tab PSC Girder for the design of long main outer and inner girders. There are two tabs, Input Data and Cable Data, under the current tab, containing various design input data. User must not change any red color data, as these are taken from data in the previous pages, and also not change any blue color data, which are calculated values. Click on button Process for new design and save as user's design with user's given file name at the bottom of the page. The design is done and the message comes informing about the design report. Click on button Close and the design report is opened as Excel worksheet for viewing by the user. There are various tabs at the bottom of Excel worksheet related to various design steps. After viewing, close the design report. Step 6. Next, select the tab Deck Slab BS5400. There are 3 more tabs under this tab. These are Analysis, Design of Deck Slab, and Cantilever Slab Design. Step 7. The current tab is for Analysis. The various design data are displayed, where the blue color data are calculated values. Click on button Process 1 Analysis. As the process dialog box comes, click on button Proceed. The message comes for number of load cases. Click on button OK. Next, the SAP Analysis dialog box comes. Click on button Proceed. As the analysis is over, message comes by informing about the design report file. Click on button OK. The values for hogging moment, sagging moment, and shear force are displayed as obtained from the result of the analysis. Step 8. Next, select the tab Design of Deck Slab. Under these tab there are 4 more tabs as Design Loads and Forces, Transverse Bending Resistance, Flexural Cracking, Shear Calculation and Figures. Select tab Design Loads and Forces, click on button Process 2 Design. And the design is done by displaying the report part for this particular step. Select tab Transverse Bending Resistance, click on button Process 3 Design. And the design is done by displaying the report part for this particular step. Select tab Flexural Cracking, click on button Process 4 Design. And the design is done by displaying the report part for this particular step. Select tab Shear Calculation, click on button Process 5 Design. And the design is done by displaying the report part for this particular step. Select tab Figures, where the various loadings are explained. Step 9. Next, select the tab Cantilever Slab Design. Under these tab there are more tabs as Design Loads and Forces, Transverse Bending Resistance, Flexural Cracking, Shear Calculation, Longitudinal Bending Resistance and Figures. Select tab Design Loads and Forces, click on button Process 6 Design. And the design is done by displaying the report part for this particular step. Select tab Transverse Bending Resistance, click on button Process 7 Design. And the design is done by displaying the report part for this particular step. Select tab Flexural Cracking, click on button Process 8 Design. And the design is done by displaying the report part for this particular step. Select tab Shear Calculation, click on button Process 9 Design. And the design is done by displaying the report part for this particular step. Select tab Longitudinal Bending Resistance, click on button Process 10 Design. And the design is done by displaying the report part for this particular step. Select tab Figures, where the various loadings are explained. Step 10. Click on button Create Design Report. This will create the design report by joining the design results of all 10 parts of the design results, and the full design report is displayed for viewing by the user. After viewing, close the full design report. Step 11. Next, select the tab RCC Abutment. 2 separate designs are there for counterfort and cantilever abutments. The counterfort abutment is selected with the various design data displayed in the page. User may modify the data values as desired. Click on button New Design. The design will be done and the report in MS Excel worksheet will be opened. As the message comes, user has to click on button Close and wait for some time. After viewing the report tab-wise in the worksheet, User may close the worksheet. Step 12. Next, select the tab RCC Pier, the various design data are displayed. User may modify the data values as desired, click on button Process. The interaction diagram charts come, enter relevant value by reading from the charts and click on button Process. The design will be done and the report will be opened. Step 13. Next, select the tab Bearing. The various POT/PTFE and bearings designs are available under separate tabs with the sample data displayed there. User may modify the data values as desired. Click on button Process, the design will be done and the report will be opened. Step 14. Next, select the tab Drawings. There are buttons relevant to various construction components in the bridge. Click the buttons to open the drawings. As the selection box comes, user may select Sample Drawings to open the sample drawings. User may select Design Drawings to open sample drawings with converter to convert the sample drawings to design drawings by opening the design report in a selected drawing and by changing the values in the drawing by following the design report. The drawings may be saved as DWG or DXF to make them compatible to AutoCAD or other CAD softwares. As the process is over, close all the design pages. Step 15. Next time, by opening Astro Pro, select Open Design and select the previous design as job number 01 within the folder Pre-Stressed Concrete, PSC, Girder Bridge within the working folder Work on the desktop.